That's the pool sweep. You're all wet. What are you going to do now? What are you doing? You're wet. Careful, no running. Walk, walk. That's not walking. Walk, walk. That is skipping. You're supposed to walk. Walk, you're still running. Slow down, you're running. Walk, walk. That's not walking. That's not walking. Hey, settle down. Are you going to squirt that pool sweep? You can't. It stays underwater. Yeah. Don't you do it. You've already squirted me. Don't you squirt me. You're a mess. Yeah, you're a mess. You can't? Oh, man.
You did that?
Yeah.
Why?
It's got to keep my pool clean.
Why?
Because you don't want a dirty pool, do you?